So when the intensity of your emotion is very high, you can achieve anything. You can manifest instantly. So to prove this, I will give an example which is given in the book of Dr. Joe Dispenza, Becoming Supernatural. So there he has mentioned one incident which was done. It was an experiment. So what the experiment was, you might be knowing about that when a chick comes first in the world, like when the egg hatches and he or she comes in the world, then they just whoever is near them, which is a moving object, then they will just imagine that that is her mother or his mother. So the same thing what scientists did, scientists took a robot and a chick hatched there, and the chick started calling that robot his or her mother. So after that, what happened, the the robot was designed in that way that it will move in random directions. So it was moving in random direction, it was moving here and there, and the chick was also following the robot as she thought that it's her mother. So after that, what happened, they just caged the chick in a cage. So they caged him in a cage, and after that, what happened, the the chick was intentionally sending signals that she is her mother, so she wants to be near her. She wants, I don't know what emotional things she sent to that robot. So what happened, so after that, what scientists observed is that the motion of the robot, which is a non-living thing, the motion of the robot drastically changed. It was near the chick. So you can imagine how a chick can influence a robot which is not even a living thing. So just imagine that what you can do. Like chick has a so small amount of energy, but you are the huge amount of energy. You are having a huge amount of energy inside your body. So what you can do, how you can influence people, how you can influence anything in this world. So if you learn something from this video or something from this story, then do apply it in your life. And I will continuously making this kind of video in which I will also explain how you can apply these things in your life slowly. So thank you.